guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some beef and cheesy beef patties. This is the second part of the video where I'm going to be showing you how to make the filling. So if you haven't watched the first part where I make the patty pastry, you need to pause this video and go and watch that one first and then come back and then I get to show you these. These are very, very tasty. So let's go ahead and get started. To start, preheat your pan on a medium heat and pour in your oil. Add in your half an onion, turn the heat on your frying pan all the way down and put in your minced meat. You can do this step how you prefer. You can either put all your seasoning in at the start or you can add it in step by step as I'm about to do in the video. As shown, I add in my seasoning and stir in well after each addition, keeping the heat on low. Here are the seasonings I used, which will also be in the description box below. Maggi chicken seasoning, Maggi all-purpose, paprika, black pepper, chili and lemon seasoning, garlic and coriander seasoning. Add more or less of your favourite seasonings and just adapt the recipe to your taste. Once you've added all your seasoning, leave the mince to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, which will look like this, still on a low heat. Add in half of your water and 1/3 of your gravy granules. Add in your second third of granules. And your second half of water. And finally, your last third of gravy granules. Take your chilled patty pastry and cut it in half. Roll out your pastry and cut out your patty shapes using a small cookie cutter. Once your patty pastry is filled with meat, fold it in half and use a fork to seal the edges. I lightly cut my cheesy beef patties with a knife to tell them apart from the plain ones. In the oven to bake for about 10 to 15 minutes or until fully roasted or golden brown. For the normal size patty, just use a large bowl of your choice and cut out a circle, and repeated the same steps as I did with the mini ones. And voila! Finito! Cheesy beef and beef patties.
Oh yeah.
That's it guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more videos from me. Also, this was a request video, so if you guys have any more ideas or suggestions of what you'd like me to make, just comment below and I might just make it. I might. Thanks for watching. Bye!